Hi guys, in this video I'll be doing a gear review of what I carry with me when I'm outdoors exploring and drawing. Let's go! In this video I'll be going through all the basic equipment I carry with me when I'm outdoors filming and drawing. I like to use the Osprey Daylite Plus 20 litre backpack as it's quite light and quite small. But I'll talk a little bit more about the bag later. So first of all, I always carry a bottle of water in my bag, which I store away in the side pockets of the bag. Starting off the top zip compartment of the bag, I have my glasses, I have my keys, and also I have my medical bag, which I store all my medication in and other little bits, such as asthma inhaler, hay fever medication, paracetamol tablets, and in the lower zip compartment, I store all my art equipment, such as a rubber band, hold my pages down and my sketchbook, a bulldog clip, which I always use for the same purpose. And here is my Muji metal pencil case, which I use to store all my pens in. So these are my favourite pens that I like to use at the moment. So the first one is a Rotring Tikky Graphic 0.1 pen. Here's a Pilot Hi Tec C Pen, which is a lovely gift from my friend Kelly. Thank you very much. And this is my favourite and my newest pen, the Muji Fountain Pen, which I really love using this one. Nice flow of ink and very comfortable use. And next we have the Pilot Hi Tec C refillable cartridge. And then last but not least, another Rotring Tikky Graphic 0.3 pen. Okay, so now looking at the main zip compartment of the bag. First we have my Joby Gorillapod tripod mobile rig, which I use for vlogging. It is a good quality, versatile product. And this is my basic metal tripod, which is a good beginner's tripod. It is very cheap, light, but the build quality is not that great and it can be a bit unstable at times, but overall it does the job. I'll probably look into buying a new tripod in the future. And then we have my storage case, which I use to store all my small pieces of equipment. So in here I have my BOYA mini shotgun microphone. Gotta say, I haven't used this as much as I thought I would. It does drain the battery quite a bit when using it. Next we have my Ulanzi mobile tripod mount. It's quite a good mobile mount, but I'll probably look into buying a metal one. USB-C charging cable. Next we have the Ulanzi RGB color mini light, which I haven't used very often. And this is my Ulanzi mini vlog tripod, which I don't use as much as I have the Joby Gorillapod. So some of the items I might not carry with me all the time. For example, the light and the microphone. And in the sleeve compartment of the bag is my A4 hardback sketchbook. This is my Bluetooth mobile camera remote, which I find very useful, especially when you're filming by yourself. Okay, so a little bit about the bag. So this is a lightweight 20-litre travel bag with good storage and useful features. So in the main big storage compartment of the bag, you have a storage sleeve which can hold either a 15-inch laptop, a sketchbook, or even a hydration bladder. Oh, and we have a mobile selfie stick, which I forgot about, which I sometimes carry around with me. Then we have the top small storage compartment, and as you can see, the zips are starting to tear, so I will need to replace this bag. And next we have a lower size zip small storage compartment and the storage pouch, which I use to store either a wet jacket or even my hat in there. And then we have the side netted pockets, which I use to store a water bottle in, but they are a little bit small, so bottles do tend to fall out, so you have to be careful. And attached to my bag I have a metal carabiner. These are very useful. The back and the straps have a nice ventilated design, and the bag also has chest and waist adjustable straps. That's it, I'm all done. Time to put it all back in. Also, I forgot to mention, I usually carry around a portable battery power bank. My final thoughts. Like I said before, depending on what I'm drawing, I may not carry all this equipment around with me. I might carry half the items around with me when I'm outdoors filming. I would class myself a beginner and an amateur filmer, and my equipment reflects that. I'm constantly learning new things and upgrading my equipment as I progress and build up more knowledge. I think the most important thing to me is packing lightly, as I'm always walking around, but carrying all this equipment is not too heavy. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found the video useful. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Take care. Peace.